Hi boys and girls, happy Tuesday. It is time for our phonics lesson. So we're going to start with rhyming. I'm going to say 2 words. You're going to give me a thumbs up if they rhyme, a thumbs down if they don't. All right, so I'll go first, then it's your turn. So, no. Like bike. Cup dot. Deep leap. Jet home. Nice job. Next one is our onset fluency. I'm going to say 2 words, and then I'm going to say the first sound that the word starts with. Remember, I go first, then it's your turn. You, yes, ya. Be, ball, b. Fall, feet, f. Kite, Kate, k. Now, net, n. Great. All right, next one is blending words. So we're going to have the first part of a word, the second part of a word, and then we're going to blend it together. So you repeat after me the 2 parts, and then we say the whole word together. Moon, light, moonlight. Straw, berry, strawberry. Every, thing, everything. Finger, paint, finger paint. Keep, sake, keepsake. Great. Next one is our roller coaster. We're going to be listening for those middle sounds. So our first word is tan, t, a, n. Middle sound, ah, good. Next word, get, g, et. Middle sound, eh. Bin, b, I, n. Middle sound, eh. Pot, p, a, t. Middle sound, ah. Fun, f, n. Middle sound, Very good. All right, next one we're going to segment our words. We've been using our choppers, but today we're going to do it a little bit differently. This time we're going to put the word in our hands because this is one word. It's called a compound word. And then we're going to take the word apart. All right? Instead of chopping it apart, we're just going to take it apart this way. So you're going to repeat after me. All right? Here we go. Blueberry. Blue, berry. Handbag, hand, bag. Newspaper, news, paper. Anyone, any, one. Waterfall, water, fall. Great. Our next one is adding words. So you're going to have a piece of a word, and then we're going to add another piece. All right, so you're going to repeat after me. Your word is out. Add side, outside. Bed. Add room, bedroom. Tea. Add pot, teapot. Cook. Add book, cookbook. Down. Add town, downtown. All right, next one is deleting words. You're going to hold a word in your hands and we're going to take away a part of that word. Sidewalk. Without walk, what's left is side. Ponytail. Without tail, what's left is pony. Doorbell. Without bell, what's left is door. Mailman. Without man, what's left is mail. Haircut. Without cut, what's left is hair. Very good. All right, yesterday we started another rhyme, and we're going to do the second line today. All right. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Great job. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Have a great day.